Hello guys, another quarantine lesson coming to you today. आज हम practice करेंगे playing the hammer-ons, pull-offs, slides and vibratos, and we'll be doing that through a song called "You Are My Sunshine" by Johnny Cash. So it's a very simple melody in C major, so it'll be easy for us to figure out the solo with the hammer-ons and pull-offs. And why we're doing hammer-ons and pull-offs is because usually they spice up a solo, give it a lot of character, and take an average guitar player to a good level, and then people ask आप कहाँ से सीखे हो, and then you can say हाँ गगन सर की वीडियो देखी थी and वहाँ से सीखे हो and gotten our solos better. So we'll be figuring out the tab first, and how the hammer-ons, pull-offs and side vibratos are seen on the tab, and then we'll go into how to play all of those one by one. So guys, this is the tab for our lesson. 6 strings according to our guitar, 6 being the thickest one, first being the thinnest one, and हर line के center में जो numbers दिए हुए हैं, these are the frets that are supposed to be played, and हर fret number के नीचे जो number दिया, that's the finger that we'll be using to play each of those frets. And now the donations for the markings. This squiggly mark is the vibrato that you see here and here and here. These arrows will be slides, like 7 to slide 9 or 8 to slide 10, things like that. 7 to slide 9. H is for hammer on, like here 7 hammer on 9 and 7 hammer on 9 again, and P is for pull off, that's mentioned here. Alright, so let's see how this is played. Okay, so now we'll go through the tab one by one. So the first portion we're starting from the fourth string, fifth fret, 5, and then again third string पे भी fifth fret पे 5, and then 5 hammer on to 7, H7. So hammer on, basically what we do is कि we strike the note and then hammering onto the note that is being hammered on without actually striking it. So 5 पे strike किया and then hammering onto 7th. This is what it sounds like. So 5 hammer on to 7 and then 7 से slide 9 पे without stopping at fret number 8, and then 9 पे उसके बाद दोबारा we have a vibrato. So vibrato में हम क्या कर रहे हैं, placing the third finger here on the 9th fret and using these two fingers as leverage and moving our wrist, changing the pitch of the note slowly. And when you do it very fast, it sounds like this. So the whole phrase, and then 9, 7 hammer on to 9, then 5 and 5 vibrato. Okay, the whole thing sounds like this. Next portion, 5 7 5 6, and then slide from 8 to 10, and then a vibrato on 10. Using the second finger here, vibrato on 10. Again using the wrist and changing the pitch. अब इसमें हम upwards कर रहे हैं. So it completely depends on your convenience. ऊपर वाली strings को हम नीचे को vibrato कर सकते हैं, नीचे वाली को ऊपर. So 7 5 6 and 8 to slide on 10. And then 10 8 5 6 vibrato. Okay, third phrase, we go from 5 7 5 8 8 6 5 5 7. Easy है ये. 5 7 5 8 8 6 5 5 7 पे vibrato, and then 5 7 slide, and then pull off. So pull off is new here. So pull off में हम basically क्या कर रहे हैं, it's the opposite of hammer on. So we're striking at 9, pulling it off at 7, and while pulling it off, जिस note पे हम pull off कर रहे हैं, the finger should be always be present there. Okay, so यहाँ पे हम 9 से pull off 7 कर रहे हैं, तो the finger will be present at 7. So striking on 9, pull off at 7, and while we are pulling it off, we are just not picking the finger, but we are flicking the finger as well. if you're flicking the string, sorry, like this, so it presents a significant sound here, like that. अगर हम simply उठा लेंगे finger तो it sounds like this, and if we're flicking it sounds like, so there's a significant difference in sound. So pull off के time पे ये, and then again 7 hammer on 9, and then 5. So the last phrase, pull off hammer on 5. Okay, so I'll play the whole phrase again at decent speed. Okay, so that's a lesson for hammer on and pull off, and keep practicing, and hope to see you soon for another lesson. Stay safe, guys. See you.